Just go for it.
Hello? 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 Hi there. Is this part of the shop? Is this part of the shop?
Hi.
Is this part of the shop?
What shop?
There's a shop out front.
Well, not really. You're looking for some junk, something?
We just saw it from the road. I thought it was really interesting.
Oh, well, can I take a picture of you now?
Pardon?
Can I take a picture of you? Come on.
Okay.
Oh.
I'm a wizard.
Yeah? You're a wizard?
Well, not really, but it's like a cool thing to do. Anyhow,
Come on,
this
Nick.
is my little Wagoneer.
Yeah?
And whenever I feel like karma, sometimes you feel wonderful, then you go have fun with children.
Oh.
Hey, it's all about love. Say yes, we can.
Yes, we
Oh
can.
my God, you both are gonna make me cry. Are you a student?
Yeah.
I'm a student, you don't.
I'm not.
Yeah. You're gonna become a doctor, a lawyer, or a baker?
I haven't decided yet.
You didn't decide it?
No.
Become a genius.
Yeah. You will be genius.
You do, no? You already are a genius. I know what I'm talking about because I was telling my Indian friend 6 months ago that, you know, ever heard of the Maika tribe?
No.
I haven't.
You did? Yeah. And I was there with the festival of then there was these little Indian, I call them, they were about 15, 20 years old, good war, okay, where I was dancing around the campfire, okay, and I was telling them, come on, we have fun, okay, we're gonna party, okay, just like we used to do, okay, a long, long time ago. And I came to a point that I want to convince them they were all geniuses. And he say, you have to be quiet for 5 minutes, okay? So they all sit around, okay, like we're having fun, and I convinced them they were all geniuses.
That's cool.
That's wonderful.
So the next day the chief came and he said I was a troublemaker. He took my feather away.
Oh, he took your feather?
Well, apparently if you go to an Indian tribe like this, only the chief can have a feather.
Oh.
And me, I was just...
So you just kind of had one for just there and you just kind of took it from
actually,
you?
well, anyhow, I'm so glad you stopped by.
Absolutely.
And
what a wonderful little camp back
you
here.
have, you want to look around?
Yeah.
Sure, that's okay.
Just look around, okay?
Okay.
It's kind of...
Go ahead, go ahead.
I'm going to start. Over here I got a lot of nice things.
Oh,
See,
no,
I
that's
got
really
flower. I got an angel.
Oh,
I got a little guy here
yeah, I
that
see that.
he's often okay in the middle of the thing, but right now okay. He must have been sleeping or something.
That tends to happen.
Yeah, and over here is
That was
another
really
alien.
deep. Yeah, I know, right?
And
It's a lot bigger than it looks from the outside.
over here is more of a time dimension project.
Time dimension?
If everything worked well, I should be able to either go through this mirror or this one. I'm not quite sure.
Oh, man. Where are you going to go? Find out when you get there. Oh, wow.
It's all about having fun, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
How can you be wrong? Okay, you're having fun. Anyhow, okay, if you want to stick around, get me a beer.
Oh, man. Our friend is getting a tattoo.
They're waiting.
We're walking up and down the street waiting for him to finish up.
When you say I love you forever, did you tattoo something, I love you forever?
Yeah, probably so.
Jeff.
The big heart with flowers in the middle.
Yeah, that's so cool, huh? I never had the guts to have a tattoo.
Oh, well, you're still young.
You kidding? I'm ready to retire. Like,
I'm ready to retire.
You have plenty of more adventures to go on. You got it.
actually, I'm already old.
No, you can do
So,
it.
trust me, okay. When I was your age, okay, I could jump all night long. Now I just jump a little. So I figure if I never want to get older, I have to jump. So I'm
Well, it's
jumping.
never too late to start.
Well, it might work. I don't see no old people jumping. That's the problem. You're supposed
Well,
to be.
you started then.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Anyhow, what are you going to do when you, as a student? You're going to become what?
Me?
Yeah?
I'm not a student.
No?
I want to.
What do you do?
Nothing right now. I got fired.
Oh God, that sounds so normal.
Yep.
What did you do?
I was a nanny.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Oh my God, that's a Republican there, right?
Right?
You know, if you are a liberal, you're the best Republican there is.
Yeah.
Yeah, true.
You know, it makes sense. Everything makes sense. You need rule, good rule. And we make, especially the Republican, okay, follow a rule. Like, let's say, what are the rules that I complain about? You know, the stealing of vote, the Republican? And the passing out of a law in these red states to make it impossible for people like me to vote. Because my name sounds just like this guy in Quebec. It's had to do with my name. Okay? Everybody got my name, right? John Smith, never heard that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey guys, Kai might finish soon. We might want to head back.
Probably John Smith, but I'm not a criminal.
I think Kai's about wrapped up.
Yeah.
All right, we better go get our friend. Thank you so much.
You know, you can stop more often.
Yeah.
Totally.
We
This
come
is
back this,
wonderful.
yeah, we come by this area a lot too.
Well, whatever, okay? You'll see me around. Okay?
Yeah.
Right now, I'm making I'll show you as we walk
Yeah,
out.
sure.
I want to look like I live in the forest.
Well, you're doing a good job of it.
Nice room.
I really like the wood that you have here, especially in there.
No,
Yeah, I had woods in my backyard. when I was young.
anything plastic, except my beard.
We need that, yeah.
And over here, ta-da, look at that.
Oh, hey. Oh.
And according to my plan, it's supposed to be solid, but it's not yet.
Yeah.
We'll get there. A few more sticks.
That's actually
Yeah.
pretty stable though. Right?
That's pretty
But
good.
I can imagine Tarzan, okay, a long time ago, having a chair like that.
Oh, definitely.
So I dressed myself in green,
Yeah.
Yeah.
and I pretend I'm famous, and it sounds so good.
It's a good
A good plan.
Hey, mine is very good.
Oh, yeah.
If I complain, okay, sad. Not everybody got money.
True.
Thank you so much for letting us visit.
But when I was poor, no, when I was rich, I was very miserable. Now I'm poor and very rich.
Oh, it's a
Remember
great
that.
philosophy.
Yeah. I never thought it would ever happen to me because when I was young like you, I became very successful as a contractor, businessman. You know, my lawyer used to say my finger was not really good. So what that's supposed to mean? And soon I realized that I didn't want to be rich.
Fair enough.
It sounds like you found everything you're looking for.
Not really.
Still searching?
Right?
You still searching then?
Yeah. But I found a lot of answers. Like how to build a spaceship. I know it sounds wrong. Beautiful. That's what the alien, okay? They talk to me. I know. If I tell anybody else, they would say, this guy is not really too.
Well,
When I saw
What do you call
that,
these
I
people
thought
that don't know what you're talking about? Kind of politician.
yeah, yeah.
Well, I definitely been listening to politicians, and if they say what they do, if they do what they say, okay, the world would be great.
Yeah, they make a lot of promises before they get into office.
They sound nice
So
on paper.
you see all the potential you got. You can say anything you want. Get over it.
Oh, yeah. You say
Claim
what you
you're a
like.
Republican. Okay, that will work. So I'm so glad you stopped by. Okay,
Yeah.
I'm so glad that spread the word. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
I want to sell some DVDs soon. Okay, about how to build a spaceship.
Oh, wonderful.
Oh.
Playing drum, okay, music, okay. You're supposed to remodel this little garage there, make a nice space where I can party a lot. Okay?
Yeah.
Wonderful.
Sounds like a good plan.
It's a perfect place for parties.
Can you imagine that to be in the U district, acting like you live in some kind of jungle?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's gonna get better. By the time I get this finished, you're supposed to be off.
Oh yeah, I know. You have a lot of wood. You're getting
Last
ready.
summer,
Like,
this was
yeah.
full of
That's
sunflower
good.
over here. They had the thing climbing there. I had a
think it was
cat.
pretty.
Somebody stole my cat.
Oh no!
Oh, that's
Was it black?
yeah.
I saw it. It was back in December.
Oh yeah, very friendly.
Yeah, he was really friendly.
I know him for since I've been here 5 years. And then later, we find out that somebody stole it and bring it to Hawaii.
Oh.
Hawaii.
Well, there you go.
Well,
Oh my gosh.
nice vacation.
Yeah, but that's wrong.
I just.
The guy used to be a roommate with us. Huh?
Oh no.
Oh.
So he fell in love with the cat, okay, but...
Does somebody else live here with you?
Okay, I like the guy. No, I don't.
No?
I don't say anything good about him.
Yeah.
You know, you know, it's not good when you don't say nothing good about anybody.
Yeah.
You're good, right? See that work? Good.
Huh?
Those cameras are great, okay? Are you
Yeah.
flamboyant character or something?
It's shiny.
Yeah, okay. If you want to see some of my video, I am Mr. All Natural. I'll write it down.
Mr. All Natural.
Okay, is it online then?
YouTube.
Oh, YouTube. Okay,
YouTube.
I'll look.
We'll go look it up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Your show is funny, huh? I got a friend, okay, he's 6'4", and he say, "Why didn't you say anything funny?"
Oh, guys, I only have 30 seconds left of recording.
Oh,
Said
gosh,
be bitching,
we better get back to that. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
See somehow getting here. Oh, girl. Oh, my God, you're beautiful.
Better than finding coffee.
That is really great.
Yeah.
Thank you for letting us see.
Absolutely.
Next time you come around, maybe a spaceship would be.
Maybe. Yeah.
Yeah, we'll have to come see it sometime. The updated progress.
So if you got a rich donor.
Oh.
If only.
We all want to.